Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. To start our lesson, first of all, we will start from dua. Join your hands. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. How are you, students? Hope so you are all good. Which period is going on? Yes, this is maths period. Today we will learn about number 5. Let's start our reading. Look, what is this? Yes, it's 8. Say with me, 8. 8. 8. Look, what are these? Yes, these are gifts. How many gifts are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very nice. Oh wow. What are these? Do you know? Yes, these are bags. These are handbags. How many bags are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very well. Look, what are these? Do you know? Yes, these are clocks. How many clocks are there? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very well. Look, what are these? Do you know? Yes, these are balloons. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good. Let's start reading with me. 8 gifts, 8 clocks, 8 bags, 8 balloons. Very well. Clap for yourself. Now it's time to writing. How to write number 8? First of all, I will tell you how to hold the pencil. Hold the pencil with 2 fingers, 1 thumb. Very nice. To write the number 8, we will start at the top and do a curved line to the middle, and then we will do a curved line the other way at the bottom. Curved line back to the middle and do a curved line up to the top. Like students, if you will write in this way with correct formation like this, it will become happy like this. Wow. If you will write in this way, oh, it became sad like this. Students, now we are going to do an activity. Find the number 8 and make a circle on it. Where is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 8s. Let's circle on it like this. Very nice. Parents, kindly prepare the notebook like this. Diary, do practice and learn number 8. Thank you for watching.